Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on AION. As in my last video, we were watching that after breaking out a very big bearish pennant, AION was testing the previous resistance of the pennant as a support. And if we take a look at the live weekly time frame, then while retesting, it is failed and it was re-entered the same pennant. And today it is again breaking out another triangle, and we will also discuss this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to share my recent trade setup that I shared for my members at the Patreon. And that was a very big harmonic bullish reversal sharp move that AION completed on the weekly time frame. And I shared this pattern with my members on 4th of Feb. And this was the chart. And before this, I shared another major idea that was also on the weekly time frame. That was another harmonic sharp move when we had the previous drop from April to July 2021. And this was another shark, and I told my members that from here, from this potential reversals on, we can expect a very big rally. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line from this potential reversals on turned bullish, and our sell targets were from 26 cents and goes to 54.4 cents. And you can see that the price line rallied up to 36.8 cents and moved down in the same potential reversals on. And during this move, it has formed another sharp move that I shared with my members. And here on this chart, our sell targets were from 16.8 cents, it's approximately 16 cents. And our sell target goes to 25.3 cents. Now, after playing this chart, we can see that the price line rallied up to approximately 16 cents. And after hitting the minimum sell target, we are again dropped in a very strong support zone. And this support zone is starting from 7.3 cents and goes to 5.6 cents. Now, if we take a look at the live weekly time frame, then here we can see that we are still moving inside a very huge bearish pennant. And here we had a long spike. Here we had another long spike. That was the movement when I shared my last video with you. And I told you that if this retest of the previous resistance of the pennant as a support will be successful, then we can expect a very big move from here. And our target for this bearish pennant is, by the way, at the top of the pennant, that is approximately at 65 cents. We can see that on the weekly time frame, this stochastic is also oversold, and you can see that the price line is also forming a double bottom, because previously it was oversold. The stochastic was oversold when the price line was entered here. Let me show you that the stochastic at that time. You can see it was oversold, and once again it has entered the oversold zone. And let me to take you now to the very small time frame on the 4-hourly time frame. And here we can see that AION has formed this symmetrical triangle, and we are at the very end of the triangle. We have 2 touch points here, we have 2 more touch points here, and 1 more touch point here as well. And after this rejection, the price line once more tested the support, and now we are having a very powerful bullish candlestick. If we switch to the hourly time frame, then we have already closing above this resistance of the triangle, but I'm looking for the 4-hourly closing above this resistance, and only 58 minutes are left in ending of this 4-hour candlestick. Now our target after this breakout will be A5 plays this trend line here. That will be approximately 8.2 cents. Now, if I copy this trend line from here and paste it here on this weekly time frame chart, then we can see it is showing us the projection. Let me just zoom out the chart. Then you can see it is showing us the projection exactly where we have the resistance of the very big bearish pennant. Therefore, now after breaking out this resistance of the triangle, there will be a very high probability that the price line may break out this very big resistance of the big bearish pennant as well. You can see that the pennant is already very squeezed, so at any time it can break out or break down the resistance or support. This time we are at the end of the pennant, and we are also breaking out a very a small triangle, but it can lead the price line to break out the resistance of the pennant. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.